Hello guys, welcome back to my video. You're watching Tech Savior. So guys, today we are gonna look at how we could have a scroll bar in our app in Flutter. So this is gonna be a very basic video. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. We are just gonna go through the basic things. First, I'm gonna show you how to have a scroll bar in your page, and also we are gonna look at some of the properties of these scroll bars. And before getting started, I have made a page for this. So this is what you're screening currently. I have a page, and I have installed an app bar and have just given it as a text, and that's regarding the UI thing I have done previously. And I have also made a dummy list through which I could just return some values into the page so that I can show you the scroll bar features. So this thing you have to only do if you are trying to return a list of something. If you are trying to list of something, you can use this, or else just don't bother about this part. For now I'm gonna use it just to show you how the scroll bar works. And so this is the scaffold part, and if you are not does not know much about scaffold and all, I have done some previous videos on these, so go check them out so you could have a better idea and come back here and watch the rest. So the scaffold, I'm gonna make it in the body part, I'm gonna make it return our scroll bar. So our this will be our scroll bar. The scroll bar, the one of the needed thing is the child. So the child attribute I have given, and this child, as I have said previously, I'm gonna return it as a list of things. So I'm gonna just use the list view builder here, and item builder. I'm gonna build the item, and the builded item I have to input into a cart. So the card also will be have the child, and the child should be a text, and the text should come from my list, and it should have that index. So these parts, these you don't have to follow if you are returning any kind of list, or if you are gonna make it return a list, surely please follow. And I'm also gonna return the item count, which will be my list of length, and this will should basically, you could see the right hand side what I have done. So it has just returned some values here, and as you can see, there isn't much to scroll here. Everything is getting fitted into the screen. So what I'm gonna do is that uh, I'm gonna wrap this with another padding, so I can have a little bit of space. So wrap with a widget, and padding I'm gonna make it, sorry, edge insert all at 20. So that have made me a one cool scrollable page. So these are things are scrollable here, and as you can see, the scroll bar is actually visible in the right hand side. It has kept is it is pretty small now, but you can see the scroll bar in the right hand side. So this is how the just a basic thing only that I was meant to cover today. We are not going to stop the video here. I'm going to get more properties of this scroll bar. So before that, what I have done is just I have made this body return a scroll bar, and inside that I have given a list view builder, which is returning my dummy list that I have created earlier. And that's how you could have a simple scroll bar in your app. Now we're gonna look at some of the properties of the scroll bar. The scroll bar have a lot of properties, and one thing I would like to show is the radius of the scroll bar. So radius is another property of this, and you have to give it as a radius dot circular, and you could give the radius of your choice. It would change the radius of the scroll bar. And the next major thing about the scroll bar is its thickness. So thickness, you have two thickness. I will show you. So the first one is thickness while dragging. This will be the thickness of your scroll bar while you are dragging, and this thickness is the thickness that you could see it in the normal fashion. So we are going to give a different value for both of these so that you could be able to distinguish it pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give this as a 2, and this thickness part I'm going to give it as a 20. So normal cases, in real life situation, you won't be giving these different values, but for sake of showing you, I have just given it like that. So currently our normal thickness is put as 20. So in this case, if you see, the thickness of the apple has increased a lot, and this is the normal thickness, and I'll show you while dragging. See, while dragging, the thickness of the scroll bar is just 2. So that is the draggable thickness of the scroll bar, and this is the normal thickness of the scroll bar. So the scroll bar does comes with two types of thicknesses also. And the another feature or properties that I would like to show you is this one, is always shown. So this is a boolean variable, and if you give as a true, yes, so it will always, the scroll bar will be always shown, and yeah, that is the trackable thickness, and this is the normal thickness. So this is a kind of a, what is it, instant thing that I wanted to make a simple video on how to have a scroll bar in our app. So hope you everyone got understand about it, and if you like, hit a subscribe button, and also I'm gonna leave the code in the first comment of the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, have a nice day.